Hello, Doğa.
Hello.
Okay, today is your Unit 6 oral test. Number 1, look at this picture. Who is Jenny looking for?
She is looking for her aunt.
Okay. Number 2, what does he look like? This picture.
He has short gray hair and he has beard. He has a beard.
He has a
Beard.
yes. Okay. Number 3, which girl is Brian's older sister? This picture. Okay.
She is the girl with long blonde hair and blue eyes.
Great. Okay. Number 4, what does your mom look like? Your mom, Doa's mom.
My mom has long curly hair and black eyes, I think.
I think really.
Yes, I think.
Number 5, what does she look like?
She has long blonde hair and black eyes.
Okay, thank you. Now reading and then writing book. Okay, please start.
Does your class do things to help other kids? With my class, we are going to help the Children's Hospital charity. We are going to do a sponsored walk. You can help too. Join our sponsored walk to collect money for the hospital. Ask your friends and family to sponsor you. That means they must promise to give you some money for every mile of the walk. You give your sponsor money to the Children's Hospital charity. We are going to walk 3 miles on Saturday. Then we are going to stay at a campsite by the lake and then walk 3 miles on Sunday. Together we can collect lots of money. We are going to buy toys and books for the kids in the Children's Hospital.
Wow, that's great. Thank you, Doğa. I think it's easy for you. See you. Bye bye.